Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. Hope all are doing good. Today we are going to learn chapter 8. The title of the chapter is Patterns and Symmetry. Children, what is a pattern? Yes, a pattern is formed when a set of number, shape or thing are repeated over and over again. In other words, we can say that a pattern is a regular arrangement or a design. In our everyday life, we see many patterns. With the use of patterns, we learn to predict and understand the world around us better. Natural patterns. In nature, patterns are visible. Let us see some examples. Patterns can be seen in sunflower. Patterns are visible in leaves. Again, patterns are visible in honeycombs. These are the examples of natural patterns. Man-made patterns. Man-made patterns are the patterns that are made by humans. Apart from nature, patterns can also be seen in man-made things. Man-made patterns can be seen in our floor tile designs. Then it is visible in wooden mask made by humans. Also, it is visible in Eiffel Tower. Now children, moving to types of patterns. First type of pattern is repeating patterns. In repeating pattern, the objects repeat in a certain order. Here in this pattern, we can see that green stars and orange stars are repeated in a certain order. Second type of patterns is growing pattern or increasing pattern. Here, the terms or objects grow or their number increases. Third type of pattern is decreasing pattern. In decreasing pattern, the terms or objects or their number decreases in a pattern. In first figure, we have 10 balls. Then second figure, we have 6 balls. Then 3 balls. Then 1 balls. Here, the number of balls decreases in a certain order. Once again, 3 types of patterns are repeating pattern, increasing pattern and decreasing pattern. Children, next moving to the topic symmetry. A shape is symmetrical when one half of the shape is exactly like the other half. A figure is symmetrical if it can be split exactly in half. Symmetry means that both sides are the exact same when split in half. Children, here notice that both sides of the happy face look exactly the same. That means this figure is symmetrical. Here we can see a symmetrical figure. The line dividing this image into two identical halves is known as line of symmetry.
Symmetry and patterns. Symmetry can be observed all around us. We can see symmetry in man-made as well as natural things. We can see symmetry in monuments, insects, flowers, leaves, designs, etc. Symmetry is a regular balanced arrangement on both sides of a line. If we fold the figure along this line, the two halves exactly match with each other. The line which divides the figure into two halves is called the line of symmetry. Patterns on bed sheets, patterns on grills in the balcony, patterns on the back of a zebra, etc. Patterns are formed by using blocks or shapes again and again. This pattern is formed by using a triangle and circle. The rule for this pattern is one triangle, one upside down triangle, and then one circle. Then this is repeated. This pattern is formed by using blue triangle and then green upside down triangle. The rule is one blue triangle and then one green upside down triangle. Then this is repeated. Pattern can also be made with letters or numbers. Here the rule is the first letter is the last letter of the previous term and the letters are in a sequence. So the next two terms would be EF and FG. Now observe this pattern of numbers. Can you find the rule? The rule is multiplied by 2 plus 1. That is, to get next, multiply by 2 and add 1 to get this product. For example, to get 15, multiply 7 by 2 and get 14 and add 1 to it. So the next term of this pattern will be 31 multiplied by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 63. We can use letters and numbers together to make patterns. Observe this pattern. Here the rule is, the numbers as well as the letters are in a sequence.